fishing can be dangerous. A southern sea lion. But no, it seems penguins are uncatchable in water. How about on land? The penguin's wings, so powerful for swimming, are of no help when it comes to running. Now, surely the sea lion has a chance. But on the beach, both are like fish out of water. Over 40 million penguins take to the Southern Ocean to feed. They're joined by thousands of whales. Minkies are the most numerous. They all come here to harvest the richest ocean on Earth.